This house is small, but it doesn't feel like it. It opens, expands, and completely changes when you step inside. This is the CasiTa House, designed by the Ranch Mine in Arizona. And here, the design doesn't try to hide the size, it works with it. The challenge was clear: to create a compact house with 2 bedrooms, kitchen, bathroom, and a social area, all within a reduced footprint, but without feeling cramped. And the solution starts with the plan. The house has a T-shape with 2 symmetrical bedrooms at the ends, and at the center, a compact core where the kitchen, bathroom, and support spaces are located. In other words, everything is organized in a very efficient way. No waste, no leftover space. But what really transforms the house is not the plan, it's the opening. In the social area, there is a massive pivot door, about 12 feet wide, weighing over 300 kilograms. Cast concrete, steel, stucco, glass, and a wood ceiling with a custom pattern, bringing texture and warmth to the interior. Nothing is excessive, everything is durable, and designed for low maintenance, something essential in this type of climate. When it opens, the house doubles in size. The interior connects directly to the outdoor patio and creates a new living space. In other words, the house doesn't end at the walls, it continues outward. Another important point is how light enters. The house has floor-to-ceiling glass on 3 sides, but that doesn't mean excessive heat. A large overhang casts shade over these openings, reducing heat gain and allowing natural light without discomfort. This is essential in a desert climate. The house needs to protect itself from the sun, but without completely closing off, and it solves this through design, not technology. The house was also designed to be adaptable. It can function as a guest house, but it can also be adjusted for other contexts, like a cabin or a house in a different climate, with small modifications. In other words, it's not just a specific project, it's a system. When the door opens, the outdoor space is not just a garden, it works as a real extension of the house, adding more than 20 square meters of usable area. In other words, the size of the house changes depending on how it is used. Even though it's compact, the house never feels closed. You always have a connection to the outside: light, ventilation, and visual continuity. CasiTa House is simple. It doesn't try to look bigger, it becomes bigger. A house that uses movement, opening, and connection to the exterior to transform a small space into a much larger experience.